Hi everyone, good to be back after such a long haul. And today I'm here to talk about a very important subject, a subject which is a part of every woman's life, a subject which is like a part of me, a part of you, about our daughters. Periods. Periods, blood, gross, secret, hidden. Why? A natural biological process that every girl, woman goes through every month for about half of her life. A phenomena that is so significant that the survival and propagation of our species depends on it, yet we consider it a taboo. We feel awkward and shameful talking about it. When I got my first periods, I was told to keep it a secret from others, even from my father and from my brother. But thanks to my schooling and my education in Lucknow, when this chapter appeared in our textbooks in biology, in 8th standard, we were given knowledge about it. We were given awareness about it and told how a woman's body starts preparing for childbirth. So I started taking care of my body even more, about its being healthy, hygiene, and how I should be strong enough to face the childbirth. So today I'm going to talk about a new product launch in the market. I recently received this PR package from them. So this is a sanitary napkin by the name of Fly and Dry. So there are 3 sizes. Fly and Dry sanitary napkin is an anion sanitary pad. So they have 3 sizes. The first size is this 240 mm, which is basically for teenagers. The other size is an XL size, which is of 290 mm. This is for like above 20 and like us. And another size is 340, which is the double XL, which is basically for night use and for people who have very heavy flow. Every sanitary napkin, so this is the sanitary napkin, which is it's an organic sanitary napkin made of cotton fiber, and every sanitary napkin has an anion layer in it. This is the anion layer. So there are 3 sizes. This is the 240 mm, this is the 290 mm, and this is the extra large size, which is the 340 mm. Every sanitary napkin bag has a biodegradable disposal bag, and every packet has got a vaginal insert secretion and an infection kit, which is otherwise like we have to buy it from the chemist to check if there is any infection or anything. But here in this Fly and Dry, it is available with the packet. So let's talk about the sanitary napkin. It also has a panty liner, which is used by, I guess, all of us need it due to the white discharge and the vaginal discharge that we have. So I'll quickly run through the qualities of the Fly and Dry, this new product. It is dioxin free, breathable, biodegradable, antibacterial sanitary napkin. These ultra thin pads are flexible, which fits the curves of our body and helps us stay secure and move freely, offering constant protection during every activity. The anion layer, also called vitamins of air, are negative ions which are abundantly found in nature, generated by evaporating water near beaches, waterfalls, rainforests, etc., which are good for health, and hence you feel energized, rejuvenated and de-stressed around these places. Each napkin is embedded with an anion chip that brings host of benefits, most notably of which are preventing bacteria during menstruation, reduces feminine discomfort and eliminates unwanted odor. Upon getting in contact with moisture, the anion chip in pads releases negative ions that lets you experience the benefits. balances irregular cycles, boosts energy, improves blood circulation, strengthens immunity, increases metabolism, also acts as an antidepressant, removes stress and helps us sleep better, removes odor, reduces cramps, relieves menstrual discomfort and enhances hormonal balance. Gel technology that locks up to 100% wetness, odors and prevents leakages, that gives us freedom to live life by our own rules even during periods. Biodegradable, the meaning of biodegradable is that it takes 5 to 6 months to get completely degraded in the environment. The natural fibers used for the sanitary napkins are cotton, bamboo, which decomposes very easily. It is easy on our skin, which gives us no rashes, no itching. Once again, fly and dry sanitary napkins these are all Anion sanitary napkins, organic, made of pure cotton and bamboo. So I hope you found the information useful, and it was also, I did this video after a very long time just to help us choose the right sanitary napkins and make the correct decision. So please try it. Fly and dry. I will mention the Insta handle below the video. The links will be there. So try it out. Try for your daughters, try for yourself, and try for friends and family. I hope the information was useful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.